Hello friends, welcome to the Python programming series, and we in previous lecture we were discussed about the Python list. In Python list we have discussed about how to define this Python list, and about how to access that Python list data types of Python list. And in this lecture we will discuss about how this Python list we will access by using their indexing and by using their reference to index number. There is a way list item are indexed, and you can access them by referring to the index number. For example, if I have a list, let's say I have let's say I have the previous list I have, we can say, okay, so let's say I have this my list, and I want to access this my list item. And so by using the index, so what I can do, I can just write print and list name, my list, and whichever index I want to access. So just I want to access, if I want to access 0th index, then it will be like it will give name, because name is stored in 0th index, and in uh, first index, age is stored in first index. So this list is stored as each item as array, each item at the each index. All right, so every string, this is a collection of string type array. So this is a way of accessing this list. And always this in every list, the initial or the first item has indexed as 0. And if we wants to use as a negative indexing, so means we are, if we are, for example, we are writing it as -1, because negative indexing starts from -1. So I always start from this. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3. So once I'll write this -1, so it is giving A's, and second I have written as -2, then it has giving this college. So this is about negative list indexing. And if you want to give any range, you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. So how you can do this? Let's say this is our list, and we want to give the initial index 1, 0th to 2. So we want to we want this, so this is like it is giving the list of uh, from 0th index to index 1. So 0 and 1, because in slicing of string, I already have discussed about how this work. It always work, and -1, like you have written as 2, then it is taking the index from 0 to and -1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it's about range of indexing. So whenever you specify a range, then it always return the value, and this value will always be a new list. So this is a way of doing this. And the same thing you can also do, like you can give initial range, you can give uh, you, for example, you are not giving, you are slicing, just like you are returning a list from starting and to this position. So, and this is like you are you want string from this position. So these are two way of uh, list. this is a defining a range of this list. Okay, so my so this is by this is like by leaving out for example return the item from charity I mean for example this is like you want the item from this college to other next, then you can write this. So this is all is a simple way of doing that. And if you want to define the negative indexing, so you can also do that. You can do this you can make it as a negative indexing, for example -3 to -1 you want, right? So this is also will print from -3. -3 is -1 -2 -3, so it will give from the -3, it means from age to -1. So -1 the, always remember that this last index is always work uh, like if it is positive plus, then it is give 1 minus, and if it is minus, then it will give 1 plus. So it will give only -1 plus -1, that is -2. So -2 and -3 it will give. So this is the formula, n -1. Okay, so that's all for this list. Next video we will talk about the change list item. So thank you so much for this video.